Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to sign your own document on DocuSign. So on your DocuSign homepage, make sure that you're signed in and then drop or upload your document. Once it has fully uploaded, you will be directed to this page, and then when you add recipients, check this to make sure that you're the only signee, and then click sign. And then click continue, and once you click this signature, it will input your signature to the document, and then click finished, and then you can input your email here, so DocuSign will send to you the final document where you can download it and save it to your computer. And that's it. That's how you sign your own document on DocuSign. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope this helped. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.